Look right here. Right here we have the injector, the tip of the injector. Look at the injection.
A correct diesel injector spray pattern is very crucial for efficient combustion, power, and low emission. Issues with the spray pattern are typically caused by physical problem with the injector itself, like wear, deposit, or manufacturing tolerances that alter the fuel's path and automation. Now, if you are watching a perfectly functioning diesel fuel injector on high-speed camera or on a test bench, here is exactly what the correct spray pattern looks like. Number one, it should have perfect automation. A fine mist should come out. The fuel should not come out as a liquid stream of droplet. A correct pattern looks like a cloud of fine fog or vapor immediately upon exiting the fuel injector. The droplets must be incredibly very small. It should be in micron size because diesel ignites by compression. Smaller droplets have more surface area, allowing them to absorb heat from the compressed air and ignite almost instantly. So, a correct spray pattern should be with proper optimization. Number two, symmetrical and balanced plumes. If the injector has multiple holes, each hole must produce a plume of fuel that is exactly equal in length and thickness to the other. When viewed head-on, the plumes should form perfectly symmetrical star or starburst pattern. There should be no lazy plume that is shorter than the other, and there should be no heavy plume that is longer. The third point is, correct spray pattern should have correct cone angle. The plumes must spread outward at a very specific angle, typically between 140 degree and 160 degree, depending on the engine design. This angle is precisely engineered so that the fuel sprays directly into the ball-shaped races on the top of the piston. If it is too narrow, the fuel will pool in the center of the piston. If it is too wide, the fuel will hit the cylinder wall. The correct pattern hits the exact lip of the piston ball to utilize the air slit for mixing. The fourth point is it has sharp, defined edge. There should be no whiskering. The outer boundaries of each fuel plume should be crispy and distinct. If you see tiny wispy hairs or stray micro streamers branching off the main plume, that indicates nozzle hole erosion or wear. A correct pattern has clean, sharp edges. And number five, there should be no dribbling or tailing. The spray must start and stop instantaneously. When the injector opens, the fuel mist should appear immediately, and when it closes, the spray must cut off abruptly like a sharp knife. There should be no droplets hanging off the tip, no slow tailing of liquid fuel, and no wetness of the nozzle face after the fuel injection event. And minimal penetration has to be there. The fuel must have enough velocity to penetrate the dense compressed air in the cylinder, but it must completely vaporize and slow down before reaching the cylinder walls for the piston or the piston crown. In a correct pattern, the visible liquid portion of the spray ends roughly halfway across the combustion ball, turning into visible vapor for remainder of its travel. So this is what a perfect spray pattern should look like. If you have a bad injector, the spray will look like a squirt gun or a watering gun. A thick, wet, uneven stream with large droplets is bad, but if the fuel injector is good, it should look like a perfect aerosol spray can. Dry, uniform, fluffy, and evenly dispersed. So this is how you can tell if you have a correct spray pattern from your engine diesel injector or not.
Look right here. Right here we have the injector, the tip of the injector. Look at the injection. This is how the pintle type injector operates.